Due to chemical compatibility with some of the chemicals we're using to dose through our select doser, we're having to change the injection points on the select doser. This is the injection point here. That is a 10mm tube there. So we are now going to have to add this part to there to adapt down to an 8mm. The ends of all these pipes, because they're a different pipe, the structure of them need heating, generally with a little bit of a cigarette lighter, something like that. Water doesn't do the job very well to get enable you to push them on. As you can see here, we've got one made up. A little bit of 10mm pipe there, then an adapter that takes us down to our 8mm pipe, our non-return valve here. The non-return valve acts as our shut-off switch, so when we're not using the pipe, no water can get past this point. It's then like the existing system, the pipe goes all the way around, and to our purple pipe, on this case, purple tube there, our cable tied to sit it in the machine, and then the pipe continues down to the bucket that goes into takes up the drug, or in some cases the cleaner. To fit it, take an existing piece of blue pipe, blue's usually stronger than the thin walled black, drill a hole at 7.5mm. Take the injection point, prise it open, push in, and then just to begin with, clip into position. Take a set of mole grips and squeeze till all the way home. That is then locked into the pipe, and away you go. That won't come out and it shouldn't leak. It's important we use a new piece of pipe, as can be seen on our demonstration model here, that this has been slightly pinched. When we unscrew it, it stays pinched and we don't get a good fit. So this part, unfortunately, along with all the other system, is now thrown. It's just an easy way to take out the bits, uncouple, take your new pipe, place in. Be aware when you take this out, there is inside here a reducing kit. I find it best if you actually place that in so your collar fits tightly back into the machine, screw home. This again at the other end, pull the collar out, pop in like so, close in and screw home. This one is our purple tube, so it will be fitted after the flow sensor. So after the arrow, that is where our purple tube goes in. Our yellow-green tube, exactly the same kind of fit, and goes in before the flow sensor for when we want to clean the water using, at the moment, Endosan.